I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both accounts and an app you control. First, register for Admob and complete payment and tax verification so earnings can flow. Once that's done, open the app project and add the Google Mobile Ads SDK. Make sure to implement test ad units to avoid policy violations. Next, create ad placements in Admob and note their ID. These ID are what you'll plug into your app to begin requesting ads immediately. You now implement the chosen ad formats and optimize how users see them. Start with adaptive banners for flexible layouts, add interstitials at natural pauses, and offer rewarded ads for opt-in value. This mix raises engagement and revenue. Make sure to throttle frequency and avoid accidental clicks because policy compliance protects earnings. Once implemented, connect analytics to monitor impressions, CTR, and eCPM so you can iterate ad placement and timing based on real user data. You finish by publishing and monitoring performance closely after launch. Make sure Admob is enabled for production ad units and give it a few days to stabilize fill rates and eCPM. Then run /B tests on placement and frequency to improve revenue without hurting retention. If results are poor, inspect fill rate, add source mediation, error logs, and SDK versions. One key troubleshooting tip: review Admob policy and error codes first, because policy bans or test ad ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.